We are in the third grade Your Turn practice book. We will be working on pages 61 and 67 today. Page 61, these are our vocabulary words for the week. Arrived, inspected, whispered, moment, photographs, valuable, immigrated, and opportunity. Use a word from the box to answer each question. Then use the word in the sentence. So you have to do two things for this task. First is use a word from the box to answer each question and then use that word in a sentence. So what is another word for spoken in a very soft voice? That would be whispered. And then we use that in a sentence. We'd say, I whispered in the library, because that's a place you'd use a soft voice. Number 2, what are the pictures taken by a camera? And those are called photographs. And a sentence for that is, looking at old photographs can tell a lot about history. Okay? Now I want you to do the rest on your own. Like, what word might describe a chance for good things to happen? That's like an opportunity, and then use that in a sentence. What's another word for a short amount of time? So when something is very short, it is just a moment, and then use that in a sentence. What word might describe something that's worth a lot of money? If something's worth a lot of money or very special to you, it is valuable, and you're going to use that in a sentence. Continue for 7 and 8, the words that are left. And then let's move on to page 67. So, page 67 here. Our vocabulary strategy this week is similes. Similes are when we use like or as to compare two things. So read each sentence below, underline things that are compared in each simile, then write what the simile means on the line. So Lan was as white as a ghost. So we are comparing Lan to being white as a ghost, which means Lan was scared. When someone turns white or pale, they're usually scared. Period. The gold rush swept across America like wildfire when gold was found in 1848. So the gold rush swept across America like wildfire. So they're comparing the gold rush to wildfire, which means the gold rush spread quickly. Wildfires spread very quickly. The future was as open as the land. So we're saying the future was open. So we're saying we have many opportunities. Open means in the future. The gold shined like the sun. So we're comparing the gold shine to the sun. So the gold is very bright. Think about the qualities of the sun. And of course, shiny. And number 5, down in the mine, it was as black as night. So we're saying in the mine, it's black as night. So it's the mine, oops, spelled that, M-I-N-E, was very, very dark. Okay?